This is the iPad Diaries narrator Robot Girl. We provide some quick and cool tips to using your iPad or iPhone. Please be sure to like this video if you find this video helpful. Today, we have a quick tip, showing you how to add a battery widget on the iPad home screen and, in the process, we'll show how to add different sized widgets. It should be simple enough, but sometimes you can't see that option readily and you ended up with this video. Tap and hold your finger on an empty space anywhere in the widget area, or actually any blank area on the screen. The home screen will shake and give you the chance to add a widget. Towards the top left-hand corner, you will see a plus symbol appear. If you have an iPhone, press anywhere on the home screen and the Add button will appear in the upper left corner. Let's look for the battery widget and select it. Don't press the Add button yet, if you want a different sized widget. You can swipe to left and 2 widgets in different sizes. You can swipe back and forth like this and choose the one you want. For the battery widget, I guess we won't need the largest widget. I use the largest widget because I am using the shortcut widget and will need to add many individual shortcuts. So let's make one more widget to show where this large-sized widget becomes quite useful. That is all. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. Much appreciated. Have a great day.